Hello, Eric Traylor here with Absolute Mortgage Banking in Palo Alto, an exclusive lender for the Condo Deals Team Up program. We got involved with condo deals because we feel as though this is the perfect solution to take full advantage of the current buyer's market. I mean, what if you, as a real estate professional, could provide your clients with a 20% discount on the purchase price of a brand new condo? You could earn your full commission on that purchase, and you work out at about half the effort. That's what Condo Deals is all about. It's all about pooling together buyers, taking those transactions, presenting them to the developer, and getting a bulk discount. To boot, you can be involved as little or as much as you want to. Whether you want to refer your client or you want to work 100% with your client on the transaction, Condo Deals has no interest and will not compete with you whatsoever in marketing your client after the fact. And should you have connections within the developer and builder community, and you have your own project that you would like to negotiate a bulk transaction for, we will help you market, we will help you pool the buyers, and we will help you earn 4 to 10 times what you might as a normal selling agent. Thank you so much for considering Condo Deals and Absolute Mortgage Banking. Thank you.